In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a SoFi joint account using the 2025 guide as our roadmap. Opening a joint account can be a meaningful step for many partnerships, whether it's with a spouse, family member, or a trusted friend. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to set up a joint account with SoFi smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start the process by logging into your SoFi account. To do this, go to their official website at sofi.com. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Login button, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top right of the homepage. When you click this, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Alternatively, if you prefer, you have the option to sign in using either your Google or Apple accounts. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Next, let's move on to navigating to the banking section, which is our second step. You will need to look for the banking tab on the home page. Clicking on it will present you with the checking and savings option. If you already have a personal SoFi account, this is where you'll see an option to add a joint account. However, if you don't have a personal account set up yet, you'll need to establish an individual checking and savings account first before you proceed. Now that we've navigated to the right place, it's time to start the joint account application itself. Look for the Open Joint Account button and go ahead and click it. Next, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to add as a joint account holder. SoFi will then take care of the rest by sending your intended co-applicant an invitation link. Once your co-applicant receives the invitation, it's their turn to take action. They'll need to accept the invite and then log into their existing SoFi account or create a new one if they don't have one already. During this step, they'll also be required to provide specific details, including their name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Moving on, both you and your co-applicant might need to verify your identities. This usually involves uploading a photo ID such as a driver's license, passport, or state ID. Verifying all personal and financial information is an essential step to ensure security and accuracy for both parties involved. Finally, it's time to finalize and fund your new joint account. Once both you and your co-applicant's applications have been verified successfully, your joint account will be open. To make your account functional, you'll want to fund it by linking an external bank account. Remember, once your account is funded, both you and your co-applicant will enjoy equal ownership and access, making managing your joint finances simple and straightforward. And there you have it. Opening a SoFi joint account can be a quick and painless process, providing a convenient way to manage finances with a partner. Thanks for following along and happy banking!